Hello again, welcome back to my channel. It's a bit of a different one this week. I bought some night vision equipment. It's for wild camping still, but I just thought I'd share it with you, see what you think. It's from Amazon, of course. I don't know, JP Design, I think. M2 night vision. It was nicely packaged. I've took the cellophane off just because I couldn't wait, basically. Yeah. It's infrared night vision equipment. The package is nice. 200 milliamp hour built-in rechargeable battery, and it films in 1080p apparently, which I think should be good enough for YouTube, hopefully. I'll try and open it without damaging the box. Cover slides off. Box feels premium, but I'm not filming with the box, so seize every moment. Get down it. And there it is. The little night vision system. It's big enough to put in your pocket, that's the main reason we get it. It's got a tripod mount on it, which is handy. It records in 1080p, as I've said. And I think you can photograph with it as well. I'll have to check the instructions. So when you're using them, it records the image and you can see the image on the little screen here. So basically you can't hold it up to your eyes, I don't think. You just have to hold it away from your eyes. You've got a power and ear adjustment for focus, which you should do before you start taking pictures or filming. It's manual focus, obviously. There's a little tripod mount, about 5mm deep. Comes with a strap, the bag, connection and charging lead, USB card reader, instruction manual and strap. Bit of plastic, but it feels premium. You've got to focus it before you start recording. It records in 720, 1080, 1080 HD apparently. I've just got to look through the instructions to find out exactly how it does that. Comes in a nice box. And what I'll do is just basically unboxing this. I'll try and show you some more video on it when I've done it. I'll do some in the daytime and I'll do some at night. It films in colour through the day. As soon as you switch the infrared mode on, it switches to black and white. But it should be okay. Thanks for watching, thanks for clicking on my channel. See you all later.